Mats are of great benefit in every working environment. Thanks to the mats, which prevent dirt from being carried into buildings, floors remain clean and dry longer. Clean, dry and hygienic floors contribute to a pleasant and safe working environment. But just installing mats is not sufficient. When the mats become clogged up, they are no longer effective. To prevent this, Berendsen has an all-in rental service that exchanges soiled mats for clean ones. The soiled mats are collected from the client's premises by specially adapted buses or special containers and transported to Berendsen in Ada. Here, all the mats are thoroughly cleaned in an environmentally friendly way, so that they're once again able to collect dirt and moisture. The mats are sorted by hand and taken to the cleaning process. Thanks to an adjustable platform, loading requires very little physical effort from the employees. The mats are transported to the washing drums. A telescopic belt conveyor divides the mats between the drums. The drum can rotate through 100 degrees. This makes it possible to load and unload the drum without human intervention. The drum revolves 90 degrees to a horizontal position so that the wash program can start. The wash water is reused whenever possible. The dirty wash water is stored in special tanks. The water in the tanks is purified. 3 settling tanks ensure that the larger dirt particles sink to the bottom. Then the partly cleaned water spills over the edge of the final tank and is pumped by a pair of filters. This removes the remaining finer particles of dirt from the water. Finally, the purified water is stored in wash water tanks from which it can be used for a new wash program. Reusing water ensures not only a low consumption of water, but also low energy consumption. This is because the heat in the water is utilized. The drum opens automatically after the wash program. The mats are transported to the tumbler. The enormous tumbler has a capacity of 350 kilos of mats and is fitted with several energy-saving options. For example, 90% of the drying air is reused, and an infrared measurement is made to check that the mats are sufficiently dry, after which the tumbling process stops automatically. After the tumbling program, the tumbler turns 11 degrees, so that the mats are automatically unloaded. The dried mats are then transported on 4 conveyor belts. The first belt runs the slowest. Each of the next 3 belts runs faster than the previous belt. Thanks to this system, designed by Berendsen, all the mats are evenly spread on arrival at the sorting system. In the sorting system, every mat undergoes quality control. Worn or damaged mats are taken out of circulation. The operator enters in the system which mat should go into which container. The system rolls the mat and conveys it to the appropriate container. When the appropriate container is reached, the mat is thrown from the belt and is ready to be transported. Sorting takes place outside the cleaning area. This means that employees are not bothered by heat, moisture and noise. The clean mats are prepared for transportation. The drivers take the loaded container to various locations nationwide. The buses drive from Ada straight to the client. The client is once again assured no dirt will be carried into the building and can count on clean, dry and hygienic floors.